So the next type of reaction, the last type of reaction which we are going to discuss is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation as well as reduction. Okay, so oxidation and reduction, the basic concept which you need to understand is, for example, the first reaction, combination reaction which we have discussed, that is magnesium, when it was burned in air, it became magnesium oxide. Clear? So this oxidation can be termed as addition of oxygen. What it is? Oxidation can be termed as addition of oxygen. And what will be reduction then? What will be reduction? It will be removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen. So oxidation reaction is the reaction in which oxygen is added to the reactants. Reduction is the reaction in which oxygen is removed from the reaction or the reactants. Okay, so what type of reaction this will be? What type of reaction this will be? It will be magnesium plus oxygen giving magnesium oxide. So what is happening to magnesium here? It was in the ground state. The oxidation number of magnesium is 0. That means it is 282, in the form 282. We know it. But what happens here? It will give away its 2 electron. Reaction happens here എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ there will be transfer of electrons. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇവിടെ bond form ചെയ്യുന്നത്, mutual transfer of electrons വഴി. So they will give 2 electrons and it becomes plus 2. അല്ലേ, മാഗ്നീഷ്യം 2 കൊടുത്താൽ 2 electrons deficient ആവും, so plus charge കൂടും, plus 2. And what will happen to this oxygen? Oxygen will accept as 2 electrons and become minus 2. And what's happening here? Magnesium, to magnesium what is added? Oxygen is added because of the relationship. So here what is happening to magnesium? Magnesium is oxidized. Magnesium is oxidized. Clear? Because oxygen is added to the magnesium atom. So magnesium is oxidized here. Okay. So oxidation means addition of oxygen. And if to a reactant, if the oxygen is removed, we can say that reaction as reduction reaction. Let's take another example. I am taking copper oxide. And I am adding hydrogen gas into it. What will happen is the oxygen will be taken away by this hydrogen. And copper will be in its pure state. And what will happen when oxygen is taken? Hydrogen will become water. The removal of oxygen. So what is happening to copper oxide here? Here reduction happens. And what happens to this hydrogen? Oxidation happens to hydrogen because oxygen is added to hydrogen. In copper oxide what happens? The oxygen is removed from copper. Clear? Okay, so this is, what is it? The oxidation means addition of oxygen. Hydrogen means what? Reduction of oxygen means it is removal of oxygen, means it is reduction reaction. So here oxidation as well as reduction reactions takes place in same reaction. So we can call these reactions as redox reactions. So what is redox reactions? The reaction in which both oxidation as well as reduction reaction takes place is called redox reactions. Clear? Okay. So this is in terms of addition and removal of oxygen. There is another term which we need to study when we are studying oxidation and reduction, that is in terms of electrons. Let's take this example. In terms of electrons, here the charge on the magnesium atom is 0 because it is in the ground state. There is the total number of protons will be equal to total number of electrons. So the oxidation number of magnesium here is 0. But what happens here? It removes 2 electrons and becomes positively charged. It removes 2 electrons and becomes positively charged. Positive 2 it is. So what happens to the oxidation number? The oxidation number increases in magnesium. And we know that when oxygen is added to magnesium there, so it is oxidized. That means when oxidation number is increased, we can say that it is oxidation reaction. When oxidation number is increased, we can say that it is oxidation reaction. What happens here? Oxygen is also in the ground state because in the molecular form is ground state, 0. That means oxidation number is 0 here. But what happens here? It becomes -2. It accepts 2 electrons from magnesium and extra 2 negative charges are there. So here what happens? Oxidation number for oxygen, what happens? Oxidation number decreases. So when oxidation number decreases, what can we say? We can say that reduction happens. Reduction reaction happens. So here what is happening there then? Reduction reaction happens with the oxygen. Oxygen, it was in the ground state, it was in the molecular form with oxidation number 0, but what happens here? It accepts 2 electrons from magnesium and became -2. So oxidation number from 0 to -2, it reduces, so it is reduction. Oxidation number, it increases from 0 to +2, it increases, so it is oxidation reaction. So this is clear to you. So what is oxidation reaction? Addition of oxygen or the increase in the oxidation number is oxidation reaction. What is reduction reaction? Removal of oxygen or decrease in the oxidation number is reduction reaction. Clear? One more thing. Here what is happening? Magnesium is giving its electron. So removal of electron is also called oxidation. Here magnesium, it was having 2 electrons, it removed 2 electrons and became oxidized. And what about oxygen? It is accepting 2 electrons. So addition of electron is called reduction reaction. So oxidation and reduction reactions, 3 തരം explanations ആണ് തന്നിരുന്നത്. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? Oxidation means addition of oxygen, first one. Then it is the increase in the oxidation number. Then the third one is removal of electrons. ഇത് 3 ആണ് ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ്റെ explanation, the definitions. And ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ എന്താവുള്ളൂ? ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ നമ്പർ ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. സോ ഓൾ ദ 3 ഡെഫിനിഷൻസ് ആർ ഈക്വൽ. എല്ലാം ഇറ്റ്സ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു ഈച്ച് അതർ. 3 തരത്തിൽ പറയാമെന്ന് മാത്രം, 3 ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സിനാരിയോസ് ഉണ്ടെന്ന് മാത്രം. സോ ഇൻ ദ സെയിം കേസ് റിഡക്ഷൻ റിയാക്ഷൻ മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് റിമൂവൽ ഓഫ് ഓക്സിജൻ ഓർ ഡിക്രീസ് ഇൻ ദ ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ നമ്പർ ഓർ ആക്സെപ്റ്റൻസ് ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് ഓർ അഡിഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ്. സോ ഓക്സിജന് എപ്പോഴും എന്താണ്? റിഡക്ഷനേ നടക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഓക്സിജൻ എപ്പോഴും ഇലക്ട്രോൺസിനെ ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഓക്സിജൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് 2,6. ഓക്സിഡേഷൻ നമ്പർ ഇസ് മീൻസ് അറ്റോമിക് നമ്പർ ഇസ് 8. So 2 electrons it is deficient in order to attain stability. So always oxygen will accept the electrons and it becomes reduced. And when oxygen is added to some other element, it will become oxidized. So that's happening in the case of magnesium. So I think it's clear what is oxidation and what is reduction. And whenever in a reaction both oxidation as well as reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, those reactions are called redox reactions. Okay, thank you.